Hey, who asked for this weather? Who? Me? I asked for it to be cold, but not cold and fucking rain. No, it's quite warm still. Even with the rain, it's still a bit warm. But I had to put my coat on for my hood because it's too windy for a brolly. Do you know what I mean? I can't fucking have a brolly in this wind. Can you hear that rain? Can you really? Beautiful, eh? Beautiful. I just wish it wasn't windy as well as rainy. Do you know what I mean? It's windy, warm, but pissing down. What my day? And you know what I got on? Flip-flops. Flip-flops. Jesus Christ.